तुम्हारा भाई बुक लिखने जा रहा है. यस. सो तुम्हारा भाई बुक लिखने जा रहा है. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस बुक गोना बी अबाउट? सस्पेंस. मैंने ऑलरेडी 50 लोगों को शेयर कर दिया है, बट दैट्स नॉट द पॉइंट. द पॉइंट इज वी आर राइटिंग अ बुक and we, yes, I and my co-author, I won't be revealing who it is, but I haven't searched for the meaning of the book, or when I say a meaning, I say a deeper meaning. The book, I am currently not planning to make the book hold a deeper meaning to it. I'm just thinking of writing a story book, but if we are going to do it, let's add a concept of Hindutva in it as well. Let's do it. And I'm also planning on giving the prologue, monologue, epilogue, the final words to my friends and co-authors. And yes, the artificial intelligence will also play a very important role in it. Not like I'm gonna use it to the full extent, but I'm using it for the help. It's not like I have mentors who can guide me. So AI is guiding me. ChatGPT, my friend in need, my friend indeed. And maybe I'll have the end word written by ChatGPT. Who knows? Well, that is not final yet. Let's see how the book goes. I was the backbone of the back story. What I mean by that is the story of the book is complete, and it's जितना मैंने लोगों को समझाई, those guys were like कि भाई ये तूने औकात से बहुत ज़्यादा उठा दी है. They wanted कि मैं स्टोरी जहाँ ले जा रहा था, मेरे को एक पॉलिटिकल coup d'état, I'll attach the word coup d'état कराना था, which is a political army coup over the political regime, but who knows क्या होने वाला है. but ये political coup तो नहीं होने वाला है. People were like कि करा देता. Political coup was much more of a high demand or a high value thing कि भाई लोग देख के खुश होते. Guys would much more relate to it क्योंकि दुनिया में ये सब हो रहा है. And the thing I am writing, it is basically gonna fall around or fall under the jurisdiction of Hindutva and Sanatan. It is going to be India, the Indian society, and it is going to be an India of 2125. Many, when I say many, around 10 people have the copy and know what the book is gonna be about. And what was it? Yes, and the book is going to be divided in 7 chapters. मैंने नाम लिख रखे थे. Wait, let me open the and let me tell you what the name of the chapters were. I can surely share the name of the chapters. It is going to be Prarambh, chapter 1, which is the world building. Then the chapter 2 is Drishti. इसमें we'll talk about the main characters and the world building. And chapter 3 is going to be Agni Sankraman, which is the struggles, the enlightenment, and the basically the main characters will get to realize about their powers. That is what the part 3 is going to be. And the part 4 is going to be Kali Yantra, in which our main protagonist, who I'm going to show as a protagonist, or maybe he's a protagonist, maybe he's not a protagonist, who knows what they might be. The main protagonist will come in this chapter. Then chapter 5 is going to be Chakravyuh. The plot, the past will be revealed. The plot will be revealed. And then there's the chapter 6, which is Antaryudh. Antaryudh basically fight. We are gonna make the fight the best fight in the industry, the best fight the industry has ever seen. This is going to be like that. Or the chapter 7, Nirnay, basically what happened. इसमें तुम्हारा भाई फिलॉसफी का इतना बढ़िया ज्ञान चोदेगा किसी ने सोची ना होगी. Which is the world peace की बातें करेंगे अपन लोग. And I'm thinking of writing it till from 60 to 100 pages. 15-20 हज़ार वर्ड रेंज है. It's not that कि अगर खिंच गया तो मैं खींचूंगा नहीं. Obviously अगर खिंचता रहा मेरे को लिखते हुए मज़ा आता रहा तो मैं और खींच दूंगा. But I'm not planning on doing that. The story is like people are saying that it's a nice story. I'll drop the screenshots of people saying it. And स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं यार, कई लोगों ने मेरे को कॉल पे भी कहा है. So screenshots किसी सबके अवेलेबल नहीं होंगे. And is there, let me see, is there something else I can share too? Well, नहीं है. something which I can share is not available. Many people I talk to, many people who watch this video know what the story is going to be about. So thank you guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the reviews and thanks for the inspiration. Thanks for my बहुत गंदा वर्ड दिमाग में है बट ठीक है. Thanks for everything. And yes, that is going to be my book about. और भाई मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, अभी मैंने 2.5 पेज लिखा है. चैप्टर 1 विच इज़ दी प्रारंभ, उसका भी 2.5 पेज लिखा है और उसको भी पता नहीं मैं कहाँ लेके जा रहा हूँ, बिकॉज मैं फर्स्ट टाइम राइटिंग अ बुक. एंड मैं जहाँ इसे ले जाना नहीं चाहता था ये वहाँ जा रही है. एंड आई एम लाइक कि 2.5 पेज लिखा है और इसमें तो फुल हो गया है. आई वॉज थिंकिंग ऑफ कि इसे प्रारंभ चैप्टर को खींचने का कम से कम 10-12 पेज तो मैं खींचने का सोच रहा था, तभी 80-90 पेजेस तक खींचेगी बुक. बट दैट्स ओके, लिखेंगे थोड़ा और खींचेंगे थोड़ा. वील आस्क फ्रॉम हेल्प फ्रॉम पीपल एज वेल. एंड यस, एवरीथिंग विल बी रेडी व्हेन द राइट टाइम कम्स. 20 दिन है मेरे पास और मैं ढिंडोरा पीट रहा हूँ ताकि मैं लिख सकूँ, सो दैट आई कैन फोकस ऑन इट. एंड थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग. जय श्री राम. ओम महादेव नमः. ओम बटोपैर नमः. जय श्री राम.
Know you're probably blacked out how the other night last. Maybe come around.